So before we jump into the privacy coin space, I want to talk about the cryptocurrency space as a whole and the potential. So currently the market cap for all the coins combined is roughly $700 billion. Now, I got into the space when it was around $60 billion, so there's been a 10 times increase within the cryptocurrency space. And there is absolutely no reason for this year, 2018, to have another 10 times total market cap increase within this space. Let me explain why. Apple, the company Apple, has a market cap or a market share of over $1 trillion. $1 trillion. So Apple, one single company, is larger than the whole cryptocurrency space, even as it stands today, with huge adoption going on. Then we've got the gold. So gold has about nearly $8 trillion market cap. That's huge. Whereas cryptocurrencies, which actually have a much better utility, spending money, cash-to-cash transactions, micropayments, store of value, privacy, so many utilities that the cryptocurrency space can actually offer, smart contracts as well. The potential is much greater than gold. Then we've got the stock market. So the US stock market, for example, has around $100 trillion market cap, almost $100 trillion. Let me repeat, the cryptocurrency space has a $700 billion. So far, far less. And the bonds market is even larger than the US stock exchange. So just imagine the amount of money in the world. And the cryptocurrency space is like a little dot right now. And I really see a huge potential for these funds to just start funneling into the cryptocurrency space. Fast forward 20 years' time. Are we going to be paying with coins? Pennies, nickels, 10 cents coins, 25 cents coins, depending on what country you're in. Are you going to be using coins? Most people don't even use coins now. To be honest, whenever I get coins as change, I almost want to hand them off straight away. I don't see any value in coins. Even notes now, most people are using cards. Most people are going to Apple Pay. Everything's going onto the phone. Everything is going digital. And that's what the cryptocurrency space offers. So taking away all potential for things to go really well, things to go really badly, just use your common sense, fast forward 10 or 20 years time, where's the world going to be at in terms of its financials, in terms of its finances, in terms of day-to-day payments? My bet is the cryptocurrency space is going to take over. And once that takes over, privacy coins are right there behind it. Everyone funnels into Bitcoin, as I've already said, and then privacy coins are right there because people want privacy. They want financial freedom. I don't want someone knowing how much money I have, who I'm spending money, who I'm giving money to, who I'm donating money to. That's my business. If I want to tell people about that, well, I'll choose to do that. Up until about the 1970s, we had financial freedom. How? Cash. When we spend cash, there's no records. No one knows what we're doing. It was only in the 1970s that regulations were passed that the government and all these other bodies can really oversee everything and switch off bank accounts. Regulate where money's going, prosecute people if they're doing certain things. Now that can be a positive in terms of illegal activity, but I think we actually deserve our freedom. Humans need to take back our power, and that's where privacy coins come in, and I think more and more people are going to start waking up to this. So let's jump into this program and let's actually get into privacy coins.